What's up guys, this is Unknown from Createch and this is a gaming review of Asus ROG Phone 5. Before we start, here are the specifications. It comes with 6.78-inch Super AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution and 144Hz display in 20.4:9 aspect ratio. It also has HDR10 Plus certification, 2.5D Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, and it has 300Hz touch sampling rate, and it has a peak 1200 nits brightness. For the processor, it has Snapdragon 888 5G chip and Adreno 660 GPU. It is India's first gaming flagship with Snapdragon 888, and it comes with 8 or 12 GB RAM and 128 or 256 GB storage space. In the battery department, it has 6000 mAh battery, and it is world's only gaming flagship with split battery design, which has dual 3000 mAh batteries. And it supports fast charging up to 65 watts and has dual USB-C ports. And in the audio department, they come with dual stereo speakers, and it has GameFX audio system for improved in-game audio experience. As it has great sound quality and loudness, I'm pretty sure the gaming experience will be good. Now here are the Antutu and Geekbench scores. Now this is my current setup. There are two huge lights on either side, the battery is at 67%, and AC is running in the background at 26 degrees, and the room temperature is at 28 degrees. Now let's check the temperature before we start. On the front, the highest is 35 degrees. On the back, it is 33 degrees. Now I'll start the timer and start with Asphalt 9. As you can see, the visuals are amazing, the details are great, and controls are smooth. The huge display and the stereo speakers give an immersive experience. There is minimal lag, but that's negligible. Overall, it is playable. So it's been 5 minutes, let's check the temperature. On the front, the highest I noticed was 37 degrees, and on the back, the highest is 38 degrees. Next, I'm going to play Modern Combat 5. As you can see, the visuals are great, the details are also good, and the controls are pretty smooth. It's been 5 minutes, let's check the temperature. On the front, the highest I noticed was 38 degrees. On the back, the highest is 37 degrees. Next, I'm going to play Call of Duty. These are the graphic settings. Very high graphics and max frame rate are the highest settings available. So I'll be playing in those graphic settings. As you can see, the visuals and details are great, and the controls are also pretty smooth. Overall, it's a great gaming experience.
inside. I'm hurt. Need backup.
It's been 5 minutes since I'm playing this game. Let's check the temperature. On the front, the highest is 40 degrees. On the back, the highest is 39 degrees. It's been close to 16 minutes. Now the battery came down to 63% and the phone feels warm, and it started feeling slightly warm after the first game. So for approximately 15 minutes of gameplay, the phone consumed 4% of battery, which is pretty good as it's 6000 mAh battery. Now for the heat test, I'll take pictures from front and rear camera for 3 minutes and check the temperature. Currently AC is still running in the background at 26 degrees and the room is at 26 degrees. Now I'll reset the timer and start taking pictures. It's been 3 minutes. Let's check the temperature. On the front, the highest is 42 degrees. On the back, the highest is 41 degrees. Towards the middle of the phone, the temperatures are even higher. On the back, it is 43 degrees and on the front, it is 44 degrees. Now the phone feels pretty hot. Now I'll use the phone for a minute to check for throttling. And by the way, it took 357 photos in those 3 minutes, which is pretty impressive. Okay, so there is no throttling on this phone and the phone feels pretty smooth. So that's it guys, this is the gaming review of Asus ROG Phone 5. And overall, the gaming experience has been great. The audio, the visuals and everything, the controls, everything has been great. And before we conclude, I'll also tell you how the air triggers felt while playing. So I also gamed with the air triggers separately and they were really good. If you're not used to air triggers, obviously it will take time. In general, the gaming experience is pretty good and have played few games with air triggers and it is really nice to control. Overall, it feels really good with the air triggers and they work pretty well. That's it for this video guys. Thank you for watching and meet you in the next one. Have a nice day.